Hello student, in this video I am going to solve questions on the basis of capitalization of super profit method. As we have discussed already in my previous videos that how to apply formula of super profit method. So on the basis of same formula you can determine goodwill here also by applying method capitalization of super profit method. Students, I am going to solve question number 35 of your book T.S. Grewal. I am reading question. First of all, listen carefully, and after that, with the help of this explanation, you can understand that how to determine goodwill by applying capitalization of super profit method. Okay. So now read your question. Open your book. I am also reading question number 35. Average profit of the firm is rupees 2 lakh. Total assets of the firm are rupees 15 lakh, whereas partner's capital is rupees 12 lakh. If normal rate of return in a similar business is 10% of the capital employed, what is the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method? So student, you know that under this method we have determined first of all super profit, and how we determine super profit we have discussed already in super profit method. Okay, now I am simply only applying the formula, solving the question. Listen carefully. Your first step is to determine normal profit. How? See carefully. Normal profit, and formula is capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. This is the formula to determine normal profit. In this question, capital employed is given 12 lakh. How much? 12 lakh. And what is the normal rate of return given in the question? Normal rate of return is given in the question is 10%. So what is your normal profit? 1,20,000. This 1,20,000 is your normal profit. Step 1. Now step 2, you need average profit. Dear student, in this question average profit is already given. You just use this question information. Average profit is given 2 lakh. So just I am writing rupees 2 lakh is your average profit. Now in step 3 you can find out super profit. How? Just deduct normal profit from average profit. How? Step 2 minus step 1. 2 lakh is your average profit. 1,20,000 is your normal profit. Your super profit will be 80,000. And now in step 4 you can find out goodwill of the firm. So what is the goodwill of the firm? 80,000 into 100 upon normal rate of return, which is 10. So your answer will be 8 lakh. 8 lakh is the goodwill of the firm. So dear student, this is the solution of question number 35. With the help of this question, you can solve question number 36 and 37 of your book. I am giving you homework. Question number 36 and 37. Okay. So just see this format, see the formula, see the technique, and apply in question number 36 and 37. Okay. Now student, again I am going to solve question number 40 of your book T.S. Grewal. Listen carefully. I am reading question. A firm earns profit of rupees 5 lakh. Normal rate of return in a similar type of business is 10%. The value of total asset excluding goodwill and total liabilities as on that date of goodwill are rupees 55 lakh and 14 lakh respectively. Calculate value of goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method as well as capitalization of average profit method. In this question, we have to determine goodwill of the firm by applying both the formulas of capitalization method. We have to use capitalization of average profit and we have to use capitalization of super profit. First of all, I am going to solve this question by applying formula of capitalization of super profit. Okay, so see carefully. What is our first step? You can see we need capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Dear student, in this question, capital employed is not given, but we know that how to determine capital employed. As we have discussed already in my previous video that to determine goodwill, capital employed is very important under capitalization of the profit method. And if suppose capital employed is not given, you can apply formula to determine capital employed. There are two approaches to determine capital employed. Number one is assets approach and number two is liabilities approach. Okay. In assets approach, formula is total assets minus outside liabilities. So in this question, to determine capital employed, I am just first of all determining capital employed. So I am applying asset approach. Basically, it depends upon the question, it depends upon the resource that which approach we have to apply. Okay. So according to this question, we are having total assets, we are having total liabilities, so we should apply asset approach. Okay. How much total asset is given in this question? 55 lakh. And how much liabilities are given outside liability? 14 lakh. So total asset is 55 lakh and outside liabilities is 14 lakh. You can find out 41 lakh. 41 lakh is your capital employed by applying asset approach. Now this is your capital employed. I am utilizing this capital employed here to determine normal profit. See, 41 lakh into normal return, the question given already, which is 10%. So 10 upon 100, your capital employed is 4,10,000 rupees. 4,10,000. Now we need average profit. In this question, average profit is given already, which is 5 lakh. And we can find out super profit also by deducting normal profit from average profit in step 2 minus step 1. 5 lakh minus 4,10,000. Your super profit is 90,000 rupees. Now simply apply the formula of super profit method, which is super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. So in this question we are having super profit 90,000 and 100 upon normal rate of return is 10. So your answer is 9 lakh. 9 lakh is goodwill of the firm by capitalization of super profit method. Okay, this is complete explanation and solution of capitalization of super profit. Now with the help of this question and with the help of this explanation, you can solve question number 38. I am giving you homework question number 38 and question number 39 to find goodwill of the firm by capitalization of super profit. Okay, now please watch these videos carefully, enjoy your studies, do hard work, do your preparation for your board examination. Okay.